Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily enable always on display on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10. So first what you guys want to do is go over to settings. So we need to scroll all the way down to settings. Now here let's go to display, and now let's scroll down here until we see always on display. Now to enable it, simply select either smart or scheduled. It's all up to your preference. So here you can select the start and an end basically, and here you have smart. So as you guys can see, now when we try and leave all those settings, let me do that off camera so I can place it. Now basically all we gotta do is wait a couple of seconds to see if that works, and now we should be able to see the always on display when it's on our hand. So after that, you guys can also disable it in display settings, and that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.